And from Madame Khupe, after the judgment was announced, obviously you also reached out to her. What has been your response?
She says she has been put there by the courts, and a job is to make sure that we go through the election, the extraordinary Congress. She has said also her other party, by virtue of the judgment, the other party has been dissolved. But I think she still needs to announce that she's no longer following that outfit, because she cannot be vice president and president on the other side. To me, she can't be both. And also, she should be calm and make sure that she really genuinely wants to help us to go to the extraordinary Congress. But the judgment gives two possibilities. It says, Khupe, it's like going to the Rhodesian front days. It's like she was the elected vice president then. You carry over. But in case the court gives a rider that in case she doesn't do it in 3 months, then the chairman, who has been representing the party all along in the court as MDC, which is coming, she must do must run the Congress, which in our hierarchy says president, vice president, then chairman. The chairman, Love Momo, has resigned. So all these things need to be looked at. I don't think there is anything we can't do if we sit down and talk. There is a lot that we can do to make sure that we end up with a meaningful, united MDC.